My name is Luke Bobek. I've been in the cleaning industry for over 20 years. Right now I'm at Rust-Oleum. I've been here for the last 3 years helping Rust-Oleum build out their industrial cleaner line. We're partnered with the EPA Safer Choice, who I personally have been working with for over 20 years. We formulate our products with the EPA Safer Choice clean ingredients list, but we don't stop there. We actually take a look at efficacy probably more than anybody else does by sending our products to a third-party lab, making sure they perform better than our competitors in that space. So we really promote not only the fact that we're safe, green, but our product also works better than our competitors. The industry in general, EPA, distributors, manufacturers, working with the EH&S departments of the larger multi-site companies out there, whether it be universities or manufacturing or companies like Amazon with lots of distribution centers. We need to work more with the EH&S departments of those larger companies, inform them of all the environmental, health, and safety aspects of using clean products, EPA Safer Choice certified products to use in their facilities that can actually be a huge benefit to what they're trying to accomplish at a corporate level. So as an industry, what can we all do to help promote safer products that are EPA Safer Choice recognized is really understand that green chemistry has come a long way over the last 20-25 years. It is not the same green that we were talking about in 1997. The products actually work. There's more clean ingredients to choose from. The products not only work, they can be formulated to work better than those products that were formulated in the 80s and 90s. So they do work, they perform well, and they can be formulated to be cost competitive as well. So right now there's really no barriers to going green and formulating safer products that work. And the whole industry kind of needs to come together through all these generations that have been starting to sell green and really push this thing forward to make sure that all of the workers out there are using safe, sustainable products, no matter what company they're working for.